Today we're going to look at Heatmap. And what we're going to try and identify is why we're not selling as much as we thought we would sell on a storefront display. We're going to do that just by clicking into the store location as well as the video that houses the picture of our storefront display. And now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to look at our heat map, because that's going to tell us how the traffic flow in our location is changing over the course of time throughout the day. Because we want to see, is that display set up in an effective manner? As we can see here, there is a very distinct amount of motion happening from the front door to the counter. Our display is on the right beside the second counter, and that's facing towards an aisle. Now we don't see many people coming from that aisle, so maybe what we need to do is actually shift that display towards the front door so that it's the first thing people see when they walk in. That should increase sales and fix the problems that we've been having.